Unsalted butter 125 gram. On low heat melt the butter. Dark chocolate 100 gram. Mix until chocolate melts. Dark brown sugar 50 gram. Vegetable oil 25 gram. Cocoa powder 75 gram. Sift in the cocoa powder. Mix until well combined and smooth. Once done, let it cool down completely. All-purpose flour 90 gram. Sift it well. Milk chocolate chunks 100 gram. Coat it well and set aside. 2 eggs room temperature. Granulated sugar 150 gram. A pinch of salt. Vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. Beat until foamy. Once cooled, pour in the chocolate mixture. Gently fold to combine. Note: do not overmix. Add in flour chocolate mixture. Gently fold them into the batter. Pour the batter into greased and lined pan. Spread evenly. Preheat oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 18 minutes. The perfect chocolate brownie is ready. Enjoy!